Good morning students, we will continue with our chapter 3 factors and multiples. We are seeing what are the factors, multiples with the example, then how it is divisible by all the numbers, then we are seeing what is prime number, co-prime number, composite number. We were in last video we are seeing how to do prime factorization using two methods, that is by tree method and by using division method. And we have already asked some question in the prime factorization, that is list out the methods. You have all given wrong answer, so try to check the video. That is, we have two methods, tree method and division method. You need to fill that only, so try to resubmit it. Next we will see how highest common factor, how to find HCF using prime factorization method, using division method, and how to do HCF using three numbers. We have three subtopics here. We will try to find it out. First, you all know that how to find the common factor. For example, you see here we have factors of 60 and factors of 24. Factors of 60, factors of 24 means what? 60 வந்து எந்தெந்த டேபிள்லாம் போகணும் you need to find out, and 24 எந்தெந்த டேபிள்லாம் you need to find out. Then in both the numbers, what is the common factor we have என்கிறத எடுத்து you need to find out. That is nothing but common factor. See here, 60 goes in all these tables and 24 goes in all these tables. Now they are clubbing both of them and finding which is the common factor. It is going in both one table, two table, and then three table, four table. Then it is going in the 6 table. It is not going in 8 table. Now it is going in 12 table. That's all. These are the common factors. These are the common factors of the 60 and 24. These are the common factors. Understood students? This is nothing but how to find the common factors. If they ask you to find the common factors of 18 and 24, you need to find all the tables in which it is going, and then you need to find out the common factors in both the number. That is nothing but common factors. Okay students? Now we will deal with the HCF. HCF is nothing but highest common factor. It is nothing but highest common factor. It is also known as GCD. It is the highest common factor. It is also known as, what is the other name of HCF? If they ask, you need to write it as GCD. That is greatest common divisor. It is defined as the largest number, that is common factor of all the given numbers. It is nothing but it is the largest number, that is common factor of all the given integers. இப்போ 18 24 இருக்குனா இதுக்கு எல்லா ஃபேக்டர்ஸ் கண்டுபிடிக்கிறீங்களா, இதில் எது ஹையஸ்டான காமன் ஃபேக்டரோ that is nothing but HCF. Understood students? That's all. Now we will see in HCF we are having two methods, that is prime factorization method, division method. Using these two methods you can find the HCF of the given numbers. Prime factorization method, division method. If they ask what are the two methods, you need to write these two methods, prime factorization method and division method. Today we will see the prime factorization method, how to find HCF using prime factorization method. Okay students, we will see the example. See here, to find the HCF of two given numbers by prime factorization method, express each number as the product of prime factors. One more thing, what is prime number? First, what is prime number? Prime number is nothing but odd numbers, all odd numbers except 2. 2 is the only even number, other everything is odd numbers. 3 5 7 11 13 15, these are all odd numbers. 2 is the only even number and it is the smallest prime number. Understood students? Smallest prime number. Using this prime numbers you are going to find out the prime factorization method. First, all it is expressed as the product of prime factors. எல்லா நம்பரோட சேர்த்து இப்போ 2 3 5 இந்த ப்ராடக்ட் எல்லாம் சேர்த்து தான் you are going to find the HCF of the given number. Product மாதிரி இருக்கும், because all the numbers will be prime numbers only. Now you need to find the HCF of 350 and 750. First you need to divide. Okay, 350 வந்து see here 350, check in which check the smallest prime number. In the smallest prime number 350 will go in 2 table, it will go because here we have 0. How many times? 175. Again 175 will not go in 2 tables, so that is the smallest number. adula போகாது. So check in the next table, 2 la போகாது. Then check in the 3 table, it will not go. Then check in the 5 table. Yes, 3 5 are all odd numbers, so that is the prime number. 5 table la போகும், so 35 times. Now again 35 will go in which table? 5 table only it will go. Understood students? So 5 7s are 7 5s are 35. Then again 7 will go in only the 7 table, no other table it will go. So 7 table 1. That's all students. See, here we have got 2, 5, 7, here 1. Now same as that of for 750 also you need to do the division using only prime numbers. You need to divide only using the prime numbers. Prime numbers are nothing but 3, 2, 3, 5, 11, all the odd numbers. Understood students? Other than 2. Then 750. 750 2 table pogum since it is having 0 at the last. So 2 table pochuna 375. Check whether this 375 will go in 3 table. Since yes, it is going. So you need to add and see 3, 7 plus 5. Okay, if you add and see, if it is divisible by 3, it is divisible by whole number is divisible by 3. Then again 125 is not going in 3 table, so it is going in the 5 table. Check, you need to check one by one. ஒரு டேபிளையும் போகுமான்னு செக் பண்ணணும். ஓகே ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், ஃபர்ஸ்ட் செக் ஃப்ரம் தி லாஸ்ட், தட் இஸ் 2ல இருந்து செக் பண்ணுங்க. 2, 3, 5, 7ல இருந்து செக் பண்ணுங்க. ஒன்லி ஈவன் நம்பர்ஸ். 5 table போகுது 25 times. Again 5 table 5 5s are 25. Again 5 will go in the 5 table only. Till 1 you are getting, you need to divide. Till at the last 1 கிடைக்கிற வரைக்கும் you need to keep on dividing students. Understood? Now here also you have some numbers. Here also you have numbers. You need to do you need to express them in the products. Product மாதிரி express பண்ணுவோம். 2 into 5 into 5 into 7. இது வந்து 350க்கு. ஓகேவா? Again 750 how you will express? Here you have 2 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 5. Understood students? See, here they have expressed it. Here they have expressed, that is highest common factor. இப்போ இதில் என்னென்னலாம் காமனாக இருக்குன்னு பாருங்கள். இந்த 2 2 காமனாக இருக்குது, 5 5 காமனாக இருக்குது. Again this 5 and this 5 is common. இங்கே ஒரு 5 ரிமைனிங் இருக்குது, இங்கே மேலே ஒரு 5 இல்லை, அதனால it is wrong. இங்கே 7 இருக்குது, இங்கே 7 இல்லை, இங்கே 3 இருக்குது, இங்கே 3 இல்லை. So these things are common factors. 5 5 5 5. Understood students? Now how you will express this? The common prime factors of 350 and 750 are, you need to write only once. இப்போ 2 2 இருந்ததுனா you need to write only 1 2. So you are writing it as a common factor இருக்கிறதுனால ஏதாவது ஒன்று தான் இருக்குது. இப்போ 2 2 இருந்ததுனா you need to write only ஒரு 2 தான் எழுதணும், 2 2 எழுதக்கூடாது. So 5 5 this is the common factor. இப்போ ஒரு 5 தான் எழுதணும். ஓகேவா? Here we have 2 5s, so 1 5 as a common factor. Here ஒரு 5, இங்கே ஒரு 5, so இன்னொரு 5. So the common prime factors of 350 are 2 5 5. Multiply the common prime factors to find the highest common factor. இப்போ என்ன பண்ணுவோம், இது எல்லாத்தையும் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணால் you will get the highest common factor. So multiply 2 into 5 into 5. Multiply பண்ணுங்க. 5 into 5 25. 25 into 2 50. So the highest common factor of 350 and 750 is nothing but 50. Understood students? This is how you will find the highest common factor. You just need to first divide பண்ணுங்க. டிவைட் பண்ணிவிட்டு அதில் இருக்க நம்பர் எல்லாத்தையும் எடுத்து you need to write express it ப்ராடக்ட் மாதிரி எக்ஸ்பிரஸ் பண்ணிவிட்டு அதில் காமன் ஃபேக்டர் என்னன்னு கண்டுபிடிங்க. காமன் ஃபேக்டர்லேருந்து ஒரு நம்பர் தான் எழுதணும். ஓகே, 2 இருந்ததுன்னா ஒரு 2 தான் எழுதணும். தென் you need to just make it as a product. அதை எல்லாத்தையும் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிங்கன்னா ஒரு நம்பர் கிடைக்கும். அதுதான் highest common factor. This is nothing but how to find the HCF using prime factorization. Prime factorization only you need to use prime numbers மட்டும் தான் யூஸ் பண்ணணும். ஓகே ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்? அண்டர்ஸ்டுட்? See this as an example. If they are giving 3 numbers means you need to divide all the 3. Okay, இப்போ 1025 divide பண்ணா 5 table போகும். 205 again 5 table 41. After this it is not divisible. Okay, you just leave it. Next you see 1075 5 table divide on 215, then 5 table 43. இது அப்படியே திரும்ப 43 table மட்டும் தான் போகும். So 43, here you will get 1. I said till 1 you will need to divide, right? 41 again 41. Understood students? 5 again 5 table 245 5. Again you need to divide it by 49 1. 49 is a prime number or not? Yes. Okay, now find the HCF. How you will find the HCF? What I have said, group all this 5 5 5. So 5 into 5 இதுக்கு இங்கே 5 into 5. For this also 5 into 5. So we have 3 common factors, 2 common factors, that is for 5 into 5. இது எல்லாத்தையும் சேர்த்து ஒரே 5 தான் எழுதணும். If you add all this, sorry, if you group all this, only 1 5. So 5 into 5 25. So the highest common factor for these 3 is 25. Understood students? This is how you need to find the prime factorization using for these 3 numbers. So the highest common factor is 25. Now you will find for the, you just finish the practice zone 5 and 6. Just finish the practice zone 5 and 6. Common factor of 54 and 72. And then HCF, how to find the HCF for 24 and 72. What you will do, you will divide the 24 and then you will divide the 72. You need to find the common factors of these two. Just then you need to just do the product and find the answer. Understood students? Then common factor of 54 and 72. That's all students. Thank you.